جري لي وخبر. So, I didn't get much sleep. Mix out on a game drive. But we heard the lions last night and it was insane. They were making so much noise. It was so nice to just lie down and listen to them. But yeah, that is why I am drinking coffee and sleeping in. And Mick is going on a game drive. Most important meal of the day. Right, so Mickey's back and we just had some lunch and we thought we'd let you know where we are. We're at Veluli, which is a game reserve on the border of the Kruger National Park, and there are so many little lodges spread out around this area, but it's still super in the bush. Like, it's insane. We had lions around the property, hyenas, there's usually elephants. We haven't seen them close to the house yet, but we did see them on a game drive.
We had them this morning.
Yeah. So it's insane because we're sitting here and looking at the waterhole, and it's absolutely beautiful outside in the middle of the bush, and it's wonderful. This is where we're staying. Let me show you around. Oh, it's so nice. First up is the pool. It's only been hot enough to swim twice so far, so we've only used it twice, but it's lovely. And this is where we've been chilling. Right down that side is the watering hole, and that side is the kitchen.
It's where we eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then yeah, we make some food on the fry. I don't know, barbecue, I guess. So this is a boma where we make some fire sometimes. So that's the watering hole that I was talking about earlier. And the only thing keeping us away from the animals are those friends who trust you too much. This is the little cottage we sleep in at night. The lions sleep around here somewhere, but we don't see them, we just hear them all the time. They keep us awake.
I'll try and zoom in on their anthill 200 meters away. The only thing keeping us safe is that fence. This is our Lapa area where we get to chill, drink coffee in the mornings. Show you around. We were walking past and I just found a bone. Shows you how close the lions really get. This is our bedroom. What's nice is we have a view on both sides, the most comfortable bed, and the bathroom's this way. Our bathroom, most amazing shower with this huge head, so it feels like you're in the rain. The most modern sink, and yeah, that's it.
Baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing? If it wants to see me, 'cause you miss You're so pretty, everything I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me, cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. You're so pretty, everything I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me, cause I'm freezing.
Ooh.
Was niet apple.
We have to get up early in the morning. Tomorrow we're going to Kruger National Park.
Yeah. We have to wake up at 5 and it's now almost 12.
We'll see you in the morning. You're not going to do all the tours from now on? Okay. Come on. I am so excited. We don't have to wake up early tomorrow.
We have to.